Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using Life is Grand, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our big shot. And I have a piece of gorgeous grape, and I have the stitched rectangles, and then I have a piece of the shimmery white. Let's see if I can get both of these on here. Run this through. Alright, and that is all that we're using the big shot for. Let me run the shimmery white through one more time. It doesn't seem to have cut all the way through. All right, much better. So we have that. Okay, and we are using Life is Grand, and we're going to be using Life is Grand with you, and in the inside of the card we're going to be putting sending lots of love your way. All right, so I have my gorgeous grape. And the Life is Grand is mounted on clear block E. Get that good and inked up. Might have just taken some off with my finger. Let's go ahead and do that again. And then we're just going to center it here. So just like that. And then I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 4 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the inside sentiment on clear block H, and we're going to ink that up in the gorgeous grape as well. All right, so just like that. All right, so I have the, I forgot what the punch is called. It's a trio punch. And I'm just going to do the top and the bottom corners. So just like that. All right, let's start putting this card together. I'm going to take the Life is Grand, and I'm going to put some snail adhesive on the back. And then we're just going to center this. All right, so just like that. And our card base is gorgeous grape as well, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of How Sweet It Is designer series paper, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to go ahead and adhere this also with my snail. Alright, so just like that, and we can go ahead and put the inside in. And if you notice, I'm not covering the dots here because I don't want the adhesive to show through. Alright, so just like that. Next, I have this flax ribbon. And I'm just going to snip it at an angle. And I'm going to come in with some mini glue dots. And I'm going to put that in the center. This is a little bit harder to get off, so you kind of have to pinch it off. So just like that. And then I'm just going to center that and lay it down. I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Rip the backs off. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and trim that ribbon down because I just want it poking out. So just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my glitter enamel shapes. And I'm going to get the purple glitter ones. Just like that. So there you have it, a quick and simple card just to let someone know you think they're grand. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below.